Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Quick Guide. And today I'm here to show you how you can download and install Electrum Bitcoin Wallet in your Android smartphone. First of all, you need to make sure that your mobile phone has a stable Wi-Fi connection. Tap on Play Store and on the search bar, search for Electrum. And as you can see, after the result pops up, it is the first application that pops up on your screen. Click on Electrum Bitcoin Wallet. And here you can see our install button. Tap on install and Electrum Bitcoin Wallet will be installed on your phone. Electrum Bitcoin Wallet is an encrypted wallet that allows its users to password protect their bitcoins. Users are always in control of their keys and can export or use them in Bitcoin supported wallet if required. Now hit on install and depending upon your Wi-Fi connection, the Electrum Bitcoin Wallet would be installed on your Android smartphone. As you can see, Electrum Bitcoin Wallet has been installed on my smartphone. Now you can open the application and use its many features in Bitcoin market. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for more notification. And don't forget to comment down on our videos as reviews are mostly appreciated. See you guys next time. Thank you for watching.